You need to watch this if your Epson printer won't feed paper. I'll show you the easy way to clear most paper jams. No tools needed. Let's get your printer working again. First, turn off your printer and unplug it. Safety first. Open the main cover and gently remove any loose paper you see. Even a tiny scrap can cause problems. Next, check the paper tray. Make sure the stack isn't too thick or wrinkled. Fan the sheets and reload them neatly. Push the tray back in all the way. Now look inside the printer where the paper feeds. If you see any paper stuck, slowly pull it out with both hands. Don't yank, it could damage the printer. Still not working? Try using a flashlight to look deeper inside. Sometimes small bits get left behind. Remove anything you find. Finally, close everything up, plug the printer back in and turn it on. Print a test page to see if it feeds paper correctly. If you still have issues, your printer's rollers might need cleaning, or you may need to check the manual for help. That's it. Remember, most paper feed problems are quick fixes. Thanks for watching.